同学们好, it's Dang Lao Shi here. Just wanted to remind you guys quickly of what you need to do to get started for the assessment task that we've got going on, so you can crack on with that at home if you need to. Just going to show you 2 steps in this video to keep it fairly short, remind you where the templates are, and then show you what you've got to do to be able to make your own copy of it, and then share that with me so that I can give you some advice and help as you're doing it. So I'm just in the 8A Google Classroom here. It's the same setup whichever class you're in, so these instructions should work. You just need to go to your Google Classroom. So remember, I've set some templates in there which will really make this task super accessible, means you can do it at home without too much help from me, no dramas at all. If you go into your stream, it's there under recipe templates. You can also click on the classwork tab if you need to, but I'm just going to go on here into recipe templates. So I'm going to click on that one. And there's a whole bunch here. You know, I've got the almond cookies, I've got the stir fry, so there's lots of ones there for you to use. I'm just going to click on one at random. Let's just choose that one there. And it should open it up in a second. My computer's a bit slow today. So we get in. Now the thing to remember is, so this one's for the lemon chicken. You can set that up there. Okay, now this is my copy of the document. So when you open it, you can't type in this one. Okay, it won't let you edit it. And I don't want you to ask me for access because I'm not going to give it to you because I don't want you to be able to change my copy of the sheet. So what you've got to do is make your own copy of it. And that's super easy to do. You just go up here to File. Okay, so once it's ready, you go up here to File, and you'll see that one of the first options there is one called Make a Copy. Okay, click on that, and that's going to make your own copy of this file. Okay, super important. Give it a useful name in here. So you might want to call it, cooking assessment, and then your name. I'll just do that. There we go. So I'll call that cooking assessment your name. So obviously you put your own name in there. Click on OK. And now it's going to make you a separate copy of the document which you can type in. So once you've opened your own copy, you can change it the way you need to. So the first thing I want you to do before you even start doing the task is share this with me, because that will mean that I can help you really easily. I'll be able to check what you've done. I'll be able to put comments in there. I'll be able to fix mistakes for you. So make sure you share this with me as soon as you make it. And that's easy to do. I'm sure you all know how to do it, but just in case you've forgotten, you just go up here and you click on share. But all you'll need to do once you've clicked on share, this comes up and you'll add me. Now I probably won't appear like that in yours, but you'll have to start typing my email address. Okay, so it's just my name. So you can see there, it's just david.dunn, and then my, I didn't like that. And then my name, david.dunn. And then you can see the end of it is the same as your school email. Yeah, so it's just at education.nsw.gov.au. Now, when you do that and you type on and hit return, you should see this little pink picture there. It's like a part of a lion dancing costume. That's me. Okay, so you hit return and it shares it with me. That's super important. Okay, I'm not going to bother with this one because it's mine. It's already shared with me. That's what you need to do. Okay, so once you've shared it with me, like I said, it's going to make it really easy for me to help you with the task. So that's it. Just remember, really important to make your own copy of the template when you open it, and then to share it with me. Just to recap, File, Make a Copy, click on there, give it a useful name so we know whose it is, and then to share it, click up there and share it with me. All right, guys, good luck. If you've got any questions about anything, post them in the Google Classroom and I'll get onto it as quickly as I can. Okay, see you. Thank you, everyone.